Ever struggled with dough that just won't rise or mixers that can't handle heavy bread? Today, I'm revealing the top 4 stand mixers that make baking effortless and fun. Stick around, and I'll show you exactly why they're worth every penny. Links in the description if you want to grab one. At number 4 is KitchenAid Stand Mixer. Ever wonder why some stand mixers leave dough uneven or ingredients poorly mixed? That's where the KitchenAid Stand Mixer steps in. Tested for real-world comfort, its durable metal construction and 5-quart stainless steel bowl make kneading even dense bread dough effortless. Compared to other mixers in our top 4 stand mixers for bread, the tilt-head design gives you easy access, so adding ingredients mid-mix feels natural and mess-free. With 10 speeds, it handles everything, from slow stirring to whipping cream at speed 8, with consistent results. The comfortable handle, dishwasher-safe bowl, and included pouring shield make cleanup a breeze. Downsides? Slightly heavier than tilt-head alternatives, but the stability and peace of mind during mixing outweigh the bulk. For anyone serious about baking cookies, bread, or pastries, this mixer is a smart, reliable choice. What's your favorite On number 3 is KitchenAid Bowl Lift Mixer. Did you know that some stand mixers struggle with heavy bread doughs, leaving you frustrated and exhausted? Enter the KitchenAid Bowl Lift Mixer, a true powerhouse for serious bakers. Tested for real-world comfort, its 8-quart stainless steel bowl handles massive batches effortlessly, while the bowl lift mechanism keeps mixing stable and smooth, unlike tilt-head models in our top 4 stand mixers for bread list. The high-efficiency DC motor delivers consistent torque without overheating, so kneading tough doughs becomes almost effortless. Compared to others, it's perfect for both small family batches and larger projects. Downsides? It's bulky and takes up counter space, but the peace of mind during mixing is unmatched. If you're serious about bread or pastries and want stability, durability, and power in one, this mixer is a smart, reliable investment. At number 2 is Kangbo Stainless Steel Bowls. Ever tried making a huge batch of bread dough only to have your mixer bowl feel cramped or awkward? That's where the Kangbo Stainless Steel Bowl changes the game. Crafted from durable, food-grade 304 stainless steel, it's designed to handle heavy dough effortlessly, giving you real peace of mind during those intense baking sessions. Compared to other bowls in our top 4 stand mixers for bread lineup, Kangbo's 5-quart capacity means no spills, no mess, and a smooth mixing experience. The ergonomic handle is a small detail with huge impact. Lifting and swapping bowls feels natural, not stressful. Plus, its scratch-resistant finish keeps it looking pristine, unlike some cheaper alternatives. Downsides? It doesn't fit artisan mini models, so double-check compatibility. Overall, if clean, reliable, and spacious mixing matters to you, this bowl is a smart, must-have choice. Now moving to the last one is Cuisinart Splash Guard. Did you know that even the best stand mixers for bread can create a mess without the right shield? That's where the Cuisinart Splash Guard truly shines. Designed to prevent flour clouds and sticky dough disasters, it instantly brings relief and keeps your countertop spotless. Compared to other mixers in our top 4 list, its clever pour spout and snug fit make adding ingredients mid-mix effortless. No more stopping, scraping, or stressing. Tested for real-world comfort, it feels secure and durable, giving you peace of mind while tackling heavy bread doughs. On the flip side, it doesn't fully eliminate every splash with very wet batters, but for most bread tasks, it's a game changer. Honestly, if you love clean, efficient baking, this is a smart addition. Thoughts? Would this guard simplify your kitchen adventures? After testing all 4 in real-world bread baking, the KitchenAid Bowl Lift Mixer stands above the rest. Its massive 8-quart capacity, steady bowl lift support, and cool running motor make heavy dough effortless and consistent, something many stand mixers struggle with. Compared to tilt-head options, it offers unmatched stability and power, giving you peace of mind with every batch. If you bake bread often, want reliable performance, and crave professional results at home, this is the smart choice. Who's ready to upgrade? So guys, this was the video about the top 4 best stand mixer for bread. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.